video, I'm going to tell you just the basics of what you need to know to understand the Animator interface within XploriLab. Once you open this interface, you're going to find a toolbar along the top edge that has buttons for clearing out everything you've done so far, uploading to your device, downloading from your device, as well as undo and redo buttons. The main part of your screen is your canvas, and you'll notice it starts black because that is the color of no light turned on your Explore screen. To the right of that, you have your toolbar with your 8 basic tools, and then your palette with a selection of colors. On the left-hand side, you have controls for how quickly your animation is playing, as well as the volume and sound selector if you choose to group a sound with your animation. Below your canvas, you have your play and stop buttons, as well as your layer controls, so that you can animate on multiple layers to easily create complex animations. And then the last thing to know about the interface is this bottom edge here is your frame panel. It will show you each of the different animation frames that you have built so far. To add a new blank frame, you'll simply click on the plus mark. And to scroll through multiple frames if they extend beyond a single window, you can use the arrow buttons on either side.